Outreach events like this are important for the Black community because there's a plethora of mentors out there that they want to share their wealth of knowledge, but they need outreach events such as this to actually get to their mentees. So outreach events like this allow that to happen.
In Vet Med, it's important that we're going out into other communities, especially underserved communities, and showing them what Vet Med has to offer.
The ultimate goal is to allow the students and allow the Black community to also see that there are other things that they can go into instead of what is pushed for them. It is important to expose STEM and expose opportunities such as this. And even if they decide not to go into Vet Med, it's just giving them something to look at and just planting the seed to know that this is an opportunity for them.
It's important to partner with organizations such as 100 Black Men because unfortunately there's a lot of negative rhetoric out there regarding Black individuals in Vet Med. Specifically, there's some publications rooted in bias that Black individuals aren't in Vet Med due to poverty, inability to take care of animals, and that just simply isn't true. So opportunities like this allow us to clear up all that nonsense and essentially tell individuals that you are meant to be here and you can be here.
The new dean at LSU School of Veterinary Medicine is very adamant on diversifying the veterinary field. So we need to make sure that these young Black men and women know that this is available to them because it's not enough of not only just Black, but a lot of other minorities as well.
I think it's important that we're actually making a conscious effort to partner with communities, with initiatives that are able to show them everything that we have to offer and that we can also go out into these communities and make a difference in healthcare and teach people different things that they may not learn or see on TV.
I did have a program like this growing up, and I do credit it with bringing me a sense of confidence in the STEM subjects. I do like the premise of also having life skills involved, so I would definitely suggest participating in a program such as 100 Black Men and just really growing these local organizations because it really does have an impact on young minds.
I did not have events or things like this growing up, so my journey with Vet Med started when I was in high school, and from there on it just kind of tumbled into this profession. And I think that having mentors, especially mentors that looked like me, would have made this journey a little bit more smoother. It would have been encouraging. It's completely different when you see it from someone who looks like you or someone who may have grown up with similar circumstances to you.
Having a mentorship program such as 100 Black Men in VR and partnering with them with LSU SVM, they're able to get that head start if they wanted to, and they can make those connections at an early age.
The most rewarding moment for me in this event was a young man. He expressed that he didn't know that vets did so much and that he actually wanted to be one now whenever he grew up. And the fact that he was a senior in high school and he said, when I grow up I want to be a vet, that's pretty darn tootin' cool because he's about to start taking those classes and get into the profession. So just the idea that we all cumulatively came together and helped him reach that conclusion, it really made my day.
The most rewarding moment for me was obviously working with the kids and being able to show them things that I had learned in class, but it was also working with my colleagues and seeing that they also have a passion for being able to educate others and seeing my professors and us just working together. It was a really fun time.